We'll start with the exercise. Who are the lumberjacks? So for this answer you will come to page 84. The people who are involved in lumbering activities are known as lumberjacks. This is answer of 1A. Then 1B, what do you mean by lumbering? It is in first page 83. Lumbering is the harvesting and production of trees for varied uses. This is 1B. Then 1C, what does estate house mean? So it is in page number 85. This estate house heading has been given. This full, the day-to-day activities still house. This is 1C. Then 1D, what does hauling refer to? So it is in page 86. Here the process of transportation of logs is known as hauling. This is 1D. Then question number 2A, discuss the climatic conditions required for lumbering activities. So it is in page 83. Climate heading has been given. So from winter and autumn till remain dry. From winter and autumn till remain dry. This is 2A. Then 2B, give a short note on skidding. Page 87. Skidding heading is given. This bracket portion, the skidders are the men who drag the logs from the forest to concentration points known as landings or banking grounds. So this is 2B. Then 2C, what do you know about the life of lumberjacks? Page 84. Life of lumberjacks heading is given. So from lumberjacks till conditions. Then after that page 85, from during summers till autumn season. So this is entirely 2C. Then 2D, name and explain the buildings found in temporary camps of lumberjacks. So it is page 85. So these are the names and explanation. So first heading bunkhouse, this is the explanation of bunkhouse. Second heading cook and wash house, this you will write down up to laundry purpose, from this house till laundry purpose. The next heading estate house, this is the full paragraph. Staff house full paragraph and storehouse full paragraph. So these are the 5 points. This is entirely 2D. Then 3, discuss the basic steps followed by the lumberjacks. So these are the basic steps. Page 86. These 4 points. These 4 points are the answer of 3A. Then who are lumberjacks? This already we did. Page 84. The people who are involved in lumbering activities are known as lumberjacks. Then mention the activities involved in lumbering. This is page 84. Lumbering involves these 3 points. Then distinguish between staff house and bunk house. Here it is. Staff house. So 2 columns you will make, 1 column staff house, another column bunk house. So this point under staff house and this point under bunk house. Then 4B, cook and wash house and storehouse. So again 2 columns will make. One side is cook and wash house, another side is storehouse. So it is in page 85. This point under cook and wash house and this point under this point under storehouse. Then 5A, most of the lumbering camps are located near the river banks. So for that we will come to page 87. Hauling heading is given. So the answer is from logs are piled till downstream. This is 5A. Then 5B, lumbering is a very dangerous job and lumberjacks require ultimate alertness. It is page 87. From despite taking preventive measures till quickness. This is 5B.